Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing a super useful automation trick, how to move files from one folder to another based on a list in Excel. Have you ever needed to organize a massive pile of files and knew exactly where each one should go, but the thought of manually dragging and dropping them all made you want to cry?
Well, no more.
We're going to show you a simple yet powerful method using Excel and a little bit of command line magic to move files based on a predefined list. In this video, we'll cover preparing your Excel sheet with the correct file names and destination paths. Crafting the command line script that will do the heavy lifting. Running the script and watching your files magically organize themselves. Troubleshooting common issues you might encounter. So stick around, and let's get those files organized. And before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech tutorials and tips. Also, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow.
Alright, let's jump right into it.
First, we need to create our Excel sheet. The key here is to have two columns, one with the exact file names of the files you want to move, including their extensions, like .pdf, .jpg, etc., and the second column with the complete destination paths for each file. For example, your Excel sheet might look something like this. File named ext destination path.
Image1.jpg c'est inversé organized folder inversé image. Documenta.pdf c'est inversé organized folder inversé document.
Report 2023 docs C:/organized folder /reports. Make sure the file names are exactly as they appear in the source folder. Any slight typo will cause the script to fail. And the destination path should include the full path to the folder where you want the file to end up. Now that our Excel sheet is ready, let's move on to the command line script. We'll be using a simple for loop within the command prompt, or terminal if you're on Mac or Linux. Open your command prompt, search for CMD in the Windows search bar and run it, or your terminal. Now, copy and paste the following command. Batch. /f tokens = 1. 2 delims =% a in, type your _excel file to CSV do. Move C:/source folder %sign a %b. Okay, let's break this down. *4/f tokens = 1. 2 delims =% a in, type your _excel file to CSV do. This is the for loop that reads your Excel data. *tokens = 1 2. This tells the loop to grab the first two columns of your CSV. *delims =. This specifies the delimiter. We need to save the Excel as a CSV using a pipe symbol as the delimiter. To do this in Excel, use Save As, choose CSV, delimited, start CSV, then open that CSV in a text editor like Notepad. Replace all the commas with pipes, and then save the file. This is crucial. %%a and %b. These are variables that will hold the file name and destination path, respectively. Type your _excel file.csv. This reads the content of your CSV file. Make sure to replace your _excel file.csv with the actual name of your CSV file. Move C:/source folder %sign a %b. This is the core command that moves the files. *move. This is the command to move files. *c /source folder %a. This specifies the source file to move. Replace C:/source folder / with the actual path to your source folder where your files are currently located. ** and %a represents the file name from your Excel sheet. %b. This represents the destination path from your Excel sheet. Important considerations *CSV with pipe delimiter * as mentioned before. Save your Excel file as a CSV file with the pipe symbol as the delimiter. This is vital for the script to parse the data correctly. *full paths * double-check that all paths in your Excel sheet and in the command are full and correct. *case sensitivity * file names and paths are often case sensitive, so make sure they match exactly. *backup * before running this script, it's highly recommended to back up your files, just in case something goes wrong. Now, let's run the script. Copy and paste the modified command, with your specific file paths and file name, into your command prompt and press enter. You should see the command prompt processing each line in your Excel sheet and moving the files accordingly. If you encounter any errors, double-check your file paths, file names, and the CSV format. Some common issues and their solutions. Asterisk, the system cannot find the file specified. This usually means the file name in your Excel sheet doesn't match the actual file name in your source folder, or the source folder path is incorrect. Asterisk, invalid path. This means the destination path in your Excel sheet is incorrect. Asterisk, script doesn't run. Asterisk, make sure the Excel file is saved with correct delimiter, pipe symbol. And that's it. With a little bit of Excel magic and command line wizardry, you can easily automate the process of moving files based on a list. This can save you hours of tedious work and help you keep your files organized. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.